Hi, thank you for being here. My name is Jose Reyes. I'm going to be working in chemistry behind color. Whatever you see in the graphic is a little more complicated than the last work that I did, but I will try to explain it as much as I can. So basically I have 1N, 2N, 3N, 4N, 5N, 6N, 7N, 8N, 9N, 10N. And the next piece that we see right here, you can see 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 until the level 10, 1/3. The next one is you see red, blue, and yellow. So basically, this is the neutral. This is the primary color as far as the N series. So, for example, 1N has 1/3 red, blue, and yellow, plus the contribution of the 1N is blue, 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 so it has 3 molecules of blue, and I will put this as numbers because I like to do numbers. So basically, blue we have 20%, another one we have another 20% of blue, and right here we have the 10% of blue. So if I put all together 20, 20, and 10, we're gonna be seeing a good 50%. Blue, and red, blue, and yellow we have another 50%. So now if I combine the 50% of red, blue, and yellow, if I combine the 50% of blue, 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 whatever I'm gonna be getting is gonna be a dark color, which means a 1N. Let's go with level 2. On level 2 we have the same, it's 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow, plus we have blue and blue. Now this is gonna be changing. Now we have 30 and 20, which is gonna make exactly another 50. But the difference right here is like in this blue, since it's at 30, there is more pigment. So basically in the first number we have a little more pigment, and the second number we have less pigment. And red, blue, and yellow we have another 50%. So we make another 100. So this is 100, this is another 100. Let's go with the number 3. So on the first level, in the first 1N, we have 3 molecules. And in the 2Ns, we have 2 molecules. In number 3N, we have only 1 molecule of blue. We're talking about 50%. And we're talking about another 50% of red, blue, and yellow. This makes 100%. The difference now that we see that the molecules are being less and less and less. So basically, the less blue we have on the formulation, the more brightness it will produce on the end result of the formulation. So let's go with 4N. The same, let's go with 4N. 4N we have 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow, plus we have red, blue, and yellow. So now everything changed in this level. Now we have in level 4 we have red, blue, and yellow, and we have 70% of red. We have 30% of blue. And we have a 20% of yellow. So that will make a pure 100. Now I will explain a little bit this one. 4N original has 1/3 red, blue, and yellow. Now we have the red, blue, and yellow, but we have 70, 30, and 20. Why there is more 70? What is the 70 on red? Why does red has more pigment? Because remember, red is the smallest molecule, blue is the largest molecule, and yellow is the middle molecule. So to balance all the colors together to make a neutral, there has to be a balance in between the colors. So that's why red has the 70% of molecules, which means there's more red on it. So let's go to number 5, the same, 5 neutral. We have 1/3 red, blue, and yellow, plus the same, red, blue, and yellow. Now we have 50% of red, 20% of blue, and 10% of yellow. Level number 9, we have 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow, plus red, blue, and yellow. We have 10%, we have 5%, and we have another 5%. So we have right here 20% of molecules, or 20% of pigment that are being used to create a 9N. Let's go to the number 10, will be the last number we have. 10N, we have 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow, plus red, blue, and yellow, and we have 3, 3, and 4.